channel. This is the second time that I've tried to film this video, and I'm again going to apologize for the sound quality because my external mic is not working properly with my new camera, so I need to figure out getting a new microphone. So this is the second time I have filmed this video. The first time I filmed it, there was no sound at all, just a loud noise. So that didn't work. So I'm going to refilm this video for you today. Neither one of these boxes, oh, I'm sorry. This is an IPSY Glam Bag Plus and an IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing. Now, neither one of these boxes came with cards, and the first time through, I went through and found all of the prices on my phone and told you them, but this is the second time I've done this video, so they're just going to pop up on the screen because it takes too time to look them all up. And I need to stop looking at the screen. I gotta look at the lens. Okay, so here we go, and I'm going to be starting with the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so I have seen the things in here because, again, this is the second time I filmed this video. So, the first thing in here I have is the bag. It is a blue and yellow gradient with a little tassel thing that looks like a graduation cap thing. Lovely. And it has yellow and gold sparkles in the inside. Okay, next thing in here is from Sugar Rush. A lot of Sugar Rush stuff these days. And they are a set of 3 brushes. And they look like pencils. Neato. We got like a blender brush, a pat Corona brush, and pack even harder brush. You know, that's total accurate descriptions. Okay, the next thing in here is from Wonder Beauty. It is a clear brow gel, and the price of it is right here. Okay, I'm not going to open this yet because I have 2 clear brow gels open and I don't want it to dry out. Next in here is from the brand Beauty for Real, and it is the High Def Defining Volume Mascara. We'll take it out of its packaging. It's a very small tube. It feels like whenever I first saw this, I thought, oh no, not a black eyeliner. But it wasn't. See, they put these little cards in here, but it didn't have any prices. Okay, the next thing in here is from Vineyard Soiree. Oh no, by Colored Rain. I think I did this last time too. By Colored Rain, it is the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette. Here's the outside of the packaging, and here is the inside. This looks like it'd be a nice travel palette for some pop of color, and it looks like this shade right here at the end would have gone very well with my shirt that I have on today. So I'm curious if this is like an actual full-size eyeshadow palette. I don't know, but the price of it is this. Now, this last thing. This one, I will look up the price for you because I know it's expensive. It is Sunday Riley Good Jeans. Did I pick this? I don't remember what my pick was. Okay, I will get into the app and look for you on this, but this is it. Is everybody's picks the same for IPSY, or do they give a variation for people? I don't know why it takes so long for my IPSY Glam Bag, like the regular one, to come. It's the smallest. It should get here quicker, in my opinion. Oh wait, I did pick this. And, I mean, who wouldn't? It's Sunday Riley Good Jeans, and it's $85. Yeah. Okay, I'll take it out of its beautiful packaging. Look at it. It's just so chic and luxurious looking. I am very excited to use this. I better do miracles. Okay, so the total price of that box was, and I could probably say, wow, great value. But really, it's a $25 box. It is a fabulous value. Next is the Ultimate. Okay, here is the bigger bag. It goes from a burnt burgundy red mauve-y color to yellow with a peach tassel. Need to stop doing that. And same inside. Okay, the first thing in here, let's find the deluxe samples. This is the Ciate London Hydrating Lip Oil. When oh, excuse me, Watermelon Burst. Forgot about that. I remember. It's fun. And watermelon. Okay, so cool. Another thing in here is the Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion in Sweet Orange and Elamai, 100% natural. This is where you'd insert that clip from the SpongeBob 3 hours later. I don't have that clip. Oh, it is so thick. I can smell the sweet orange, but that other scent is odd. Okay, I say in here is a deluxe sample. I don't know the brand on this, but it says she was an anomaly, and it is a Eau de Parfum, and it says Etat Libre de Orange. And I did spray this the other day whenever I tried to film this video the first time, and it's not on the outside. I really like this perfume. It smells really good. I know there's orange because it says it in the name, but I don't know what the notes of this perfume are. Floral notes of iris and white flowers add a soft feminine vibe. Woody, earthy notes of cedar wood, sandalwood, and musk smell warm and mysterious. Doesn't even say anything about orange. I don't know, but it smells good, and the full size of it is $58. This is Sundays. It is a fingernail polish, which I have been tempted to grab out and try because I just need something on my fingernails. But this is a very pale shade. Normally I go for something a little bit deeper because I think it looks better on my pale skin, but I am definitely going to give that a shot. And I feel like I've been forgetting to do like price, but the prices will be on the screen. But I'm pretty sure this was like an expensive fingernail polish. Like, I like to pay $3, $4 for my fingernail polish, and I'm thinking it was like $16 maybe. Crazy, right? Okay, the next thing in here is from The Beautiful Factor. This is Water Jam Cleansing Balm. If I remember correctly, I think this was $15. And here is the container. It actually looks kind of cool. It is like very water balmy, like it says, right? Water Jam Cleansing Gel Balm. So this is interesting. It is, oh, it's a Korean brand because it says made in Korea. So interesting. Now, my not a complaint, but a concern here is I'm not really realizing what I got. I also have a cleansing oil here from Sunday Riley. This is the CEO C+E Micro Dissolve Cleansing Oil. I am just finishing up their CEO serum, which came in a really weird container. Like the bottle, like it was a glass bottle, but on the inside it had like it was like sitting in a bulb, and you pulled it out and that's where all the product was, and the jar's clean. Weird. So I gotta figure out how to like cut in the bulb and make sure I get everything out. And then I also have been using the moisturizer, and I have a back of that. So, Sunday Riley again, because I got that good jeans, and I have this too. So, was that $28? I don't remember. Okay, the next thing in here is from Dermedicine. Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer, SPF 25, Sage Leaf Grape Stem Cells, Green Tea, Vitamin E. This is a daily face moisturizer, but it has SPF in it, and I think, if it's the right size and everything, this was $60. Outrageous. Okay, can't forget the Sugar Rush item for the month, which is fine. I have not tried much from Sugar Rush, but this is their Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cupcake. Now, it's a little dark, because I did change my IPSY and my BoxyCharm profile to not send me like outrageous things. But it's like, it says velvet on there, but it feels moussey. So there's what it looks like. and I can kind of even rub it out a bit, actually a lot. So there that is. That'll be fun to try on in the try on video. Okay, next in here is from Saint Tropca Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. I have never done a hot oil hair mask before, but it says you can get up to 3 uses of this. You stand the tube, or take off the cap and the small tamper seal. Stand the tube in a microwave safe mug so the open end of the tube protrudes outside the top of the mug. Place the mug in the microwave and heat for 30 seconds, and you do some more things, and then you have a hot hair mask. Okay, 3 more things. Oh, interesting. So this is from Pure Heals by Nature Village, and I got a serum or something in my BoxyCharm Premium from Pure Heals. And this is a Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Masks. I personally like peel off masks because it's kind of like waxing your face. So, without actually waxing your face. It gets those little baby hairs. That's the mask. Again, I really like peel off masks. I know some people think it's like ripping off your face, but I have never actually experienced my face being ripped off, so I don't think it's doing that. 2 more things. I have the Murad Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. I think I am currently using this right now, or it's in a cycle that I'm using. But this is what it looks like. My container looks a lot differently, but I think it's the same thing, and I think this is $85. I'm doing a lot of thinking in this video, and all these lights, I'm getting a headache. And the last thing in here is from Laura Geller, New York. This is the Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. Now, I know in my last video, whenever it said Central Park Palette, I almost said Central Perk Palette, because isn't Ross and Monica's last name Geller? Right? Monica Geller? Ross Geller? Yeah, so like Geller got my head into almost saying Central Perk. But it has that velvety texture on the outside. And so does the packaging here. It has, and here's what the inside of the palette looks like. It looks like it'd be nice for some traveling. This is matte, semi-matte with some sparkles, and more of a shimmer shade, a blush, and I think that might try to be a highlighter, but I don't think it'd be able to highlight this paleness. I think it'd just be like a streak of darkness, but we are definitely going to try that out on the tryout portion of this video. That will not be attached to this video, it'll be a separate video. But anyways, here is the total price. And I'm sure it is a great value for its price, because I mean, just this alone is $85, and then this was $60. So these 2 things right here, you've already like doubled your money. And then there's like a whole bunch more in there. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I hope you can hear me.